Hi guys, welcome to MyGo Minds. So in our previous video, we have learned how to install Python. And so in this video, we are going to learn variables in Python. So the main agenda of this video is that we are going to learn what is variable, how to create a variable and the purpose of variable and also rules for defining a particular variable. So what is variable? So basically variable is a named memory location which is used to store the value. Now to identify that particular value, we use variables. Okay, so let me give an example. So here num is the variable name and 10 is the value. So I have stored the value 10 in a variable name num. Okay, so basically how to create a variable. So simply we need to declare a variable and assign a value to it using the assignment operator. So this is the syntax. So basically on the left side, we will give variable name and on the right side, we'll be giving the value. So basically the example is that x is equals to 5. So let me show you how. So basically in the previous, we have learned 10 num is equals to 10. Okay. So print id of num. Print num. And I'm going to run this. So basically this ID we have used here is a memory location of the variable. So this is the memory location of the variable and num is the variable and 10 is the value. So inside this particular num, we have got the value. So I asked for num and it gave for 10. So this is how we create a variable. Okay. So what is the purpose of variable? So basically variable is used to store and manipulate the data. So we have learned how to store the data, the value, but we will learn how to manipulate the data as well. So this person here is J. So basically J's bank balance now is 5,000. So his friend Sam deposited 3,000 into his account. So what will be the final current balance of J's? Will be 8,000. So we'll see how. So J's balance is equals to 5,000. Deposited amount is equals to 3,000. Current balance is equals to J's balance plus deposited amount. So let me check. Print J's balance comma current balance. So let me run this. So J's balance is 8,000. Initially it is 5,000, but we have manipulated the data. We have deposited the amount 3,000 and now J's balance is 8,000. So that is how variable is used to store and also manipulate the data. So now there are few rules while we define a variable. So these are the rules for defining a variable. So it is that so variable name must always start with lowercase characters. Okay. And variable name must not consist of spaces. So let me show you how. So first name is equals to mygominds. So print first name. Okay. So now I'm running this. So you can find it. It is giving the output micromines. So it is giving the output micromines. And suppose if I give the space and run, it is invalid syntax because this is the rule that for variables we do not use space. So if in case you wanted to use space, you can use underscore and run, and we got micromines. Perfect. And then the other rule is that variable name must not be a keyword, because Python has some reserved words that are already defined. So we should not use keywords in Python, because I'll show you why. So if here I am using if and now you can find it invalid syntax because if is a keyword in Python which is used for some other purpose, but you cannot use it as a variable. Okay. So next, so next, variable name must not consist of special character except underscore. So we should not use any special character in Python because it is the rule that we should not use. So if we use also, it will throw invalid syntax. So except the underscore, underscore is allowed. Except the underscore, we cannot use any of the special characters. So we have successfully got micromines. Okay. And the other rule is that variable name must not start with numbers. If you also start with the variable name with number, it will throw an error. See, you can already see the error. So we should not start. See, invalid decimal literal. We should not start a variable with a number, but you can use a variable at the end. That's it. So these are the rules. So basically, these are the rules which we have to follow while creating the variables and defining the variables. So that's it, guys. For more videos, please do follow MyGoMinds, and also we do have our Instagram and Telegram, which is MyGoMinds. Please do follow us. Thank you so much.